Mike, it's great to see you. There's an important anniversary coming up, 40 years since you got the Wales job, and that first game against England. What a way to start. Mike, England beats England 4-1 as well. What a game.
It was an incredible day because I'd just flown in from Seattle. I came back from Seattle and I got the job and that, and so I was so thrilled. And then first game against England at Wrexham, and of course to beat England 4-1 was what a start. And the whole of Wales was rejoicing, and it was a great game, and everyone enjoyed it so much. And they all said, you know, what did you do after the game? And I said, well, you won't believe this. I said, we went and got a Chinese, Doug Livermore and myself got a Chinese takeaway, and we went back to my mum and dad's in Prestatyn, and we had the Chinese, and he slept on a mat in front of the fire, you know, and I was in a little bedroom. And I said, and people can't believe that, you know, but it was, what a day. You know, it's a day we'll never ever forget. It was just so wonderful. Oh,
totally. We see the pictures now, you know, the sun's shining, Wales are in that beautiful red and white kit, everything seems perfect. As a manager, you know, and of course England took the lead, so it must have been a great day like that.
It was, yes, the early lead, they took an early lead, and then of course to come back and then eventually win 4-1, I mean, that was like a dream come true, and I couldn't have got off to a better start. And so it was just, it's a day that you always remember, you know, you just remember certain days in your career, and that's certainly one.
Absolutely. You look at it now, and players like Leighton James on the wing and Brian Flynn, they were terrorising England. Was that your plan?
Well, it was, because we sat down, we had Mickey Thomas, Leighton James, we had some players that had a lot of pace, and they were very quick and that. And I remember we talked about the game, and the one thing we had to do was stop England playing. And so whenever England got the ball, we closed down quickly. And that's what we tried to do, and it worked, because England couldn't get themselves started, because and it worked fantastic, because and we had the players with the energy like Mickey Thomas and all that. We had lots of Flinney was great, and Peter Nicholas, and just you look back and you think, wow, what a job they did, and they did exactly what we talked about, and so it was a great win. What a start.